Hello everyone. So myself Prajakta, and being a medical student, being in final year, I see many patients here with lot of complaints, and being a part of holistic community, I do counsel some patients as well. But for me, it used to be very hard to correlate medical data with natural healing, and sometimes, the fear that is inculcated in society, it's there inculcated in us as well. As doctors, we are also told that something like this might land up into this complication and you will be responsible for it. So this course has given me that strength that I could be confident and understanding of what actually is going on, especially the innovation part, the pran shakti part, and the toxemia, how it lands up into fungation, all that streamlined process, or whatever the sequence of events, I can actually correlate it with whatever is written in our books. But this is more structured, and it is exactly like, if even if I look into any case, whatever was explained during these sessions, I could relate every case with the toxemia theory, with the innovations, and this has actually helped me a lot with the patients which I deal with. I specifically now ask for their innovations, their sleep, and stress, which I didn't used to focus much on. I used to just focus on the dietary aspect. And yeah, I'd like to thank Asha ma'am and